skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I'm so excited because we are coming up on the 1-year anniversary of the Coach Julia Club. My baby, the thing I've been working on so hard. That's right, I feel like I should be lighting a candle and blowing it out because the Coach Julia Club is turning 1 year old. And it has grown so much. When I launched it last March, we had 1 level. Just that first level, but I had promised that it was going to have 10 levels, and you know what? It does. So you can step out there with your very, very first steps on the ice in course number 1. And I will teach you how to fall down and get up, and I teach you how to march forward and scoot backward. And if you follow all 10 levels up through course number 10, by the end, you know fancy combination spins, you know intricate footwork, and you can even work on your double rotation jumps. So those 10 courses are done, they're loaded, and you can walk your way through all of the courses. It's so exciting. But now that those 10 courses are up, what is next for the club? Well, I have so much more in mind. First of all, we are going to be adding ice dance, an entire ice dance course to the club. So if you want to learn your ice dances, there's going to be an entire course for you. We are also going to be adding a test course. So here in the United States, we have the skating skills or moves in the field tests, which I'm going to be adding. But I also am going to be adding some international test tracks. I'm going to be adding Austria and Switzerland. I have both of those test tracks. And if you want me to learn the test track of your country and post a course in my club on that, I would love to. I want to know all of the tests from all of the countries. Another thing that we have going on, which I'm very, very excited about, is I am adding in-person clinics. So we've already had several of them. We have dates coming up through the end of March and into April. And I'm going to be adding more and more and more dates where you are going to get to learn from me. These special Coach Julia clinics are so exciting. I've had so much fun meeting my club members in person, working with them in person. So if that is something you're interested in, that's another little perk of being a member of the Coach Julia Club. So since this is the birthday of the Coach Julia Club, birthdays come with invitations. And this is my official invitation to you to join the Coach Julia Club. I would love to meet you. I would love to work with you. I would love to cheer you on and hold your hand from those first levels all the way through those difficult level 10s. And to support you in being a member, we have both monthly memberships, and for a discount, we have yearly memberships. So you can choose what works best for you. But you might be wondering if the hype is all that. Well, let me bring on a couple of actual Coach Julia Club members so they can tell you what their experience has been as part of my club.
What I like most about the Club Julia is that she has a very structured course that builds up all the skating skills from the foundation to more complex moves. And she explains every move very detailed and has slow motion videos so that one understands what has to be done. So I find it easy to follow and to actually learn the move.
Hello, Coach Julia, and happy birthday to the Coach Julia Club. And for the first anniversary, I'm a happy member since, or I've been a member since October 2025, and I learned so many new skills, and you have a great way of explaining all the different details of every element, so it's been such a joy. So thank you very much, and take care. Happy skating.
One more thing that we love to do in that club is live streams. So I love connecting with my skaters all over the world via live streams. And we have a very special live stream coming up on March 1st. It is the birthday party live stream. And we're going to be talking all things Olympics. So if you have just finished watching the Olympics by then, we can go on there and we can chat. So I encourage you to join the club before March 1st because this is a club member only live stream. So once you're a member, you'll head on to the community and there's going to be a link there for all of the members where we can hop on that live stream, we can talk, you can ask me your questions, and we can spill all the tea together on how the Olympics went. So I hope I see you at the Coach Julia Club. That is coachjulia.club.